Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the basic of how to play Vita Mahjong app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on level to start again. You will see a board filled with tiles. Each tile has symbols like bamboo, numbers, or characters. Your job is simple: match pairs of identical tiles to clear the board. But here is the rule: tiles must be free to match. That means they can't be blocked on both the left and right side. To make a match, just tap one tile and tap its matching to it. If it's a valid move, both tiles will be disappeared. Start by clearing tiles on the top and edges first. This opens up the middle and hidden tiles, making the game much easier. If you stuck, use the hint button. It will highlight a pair you can match. You win when you clear all the tiles from the board. The faster and smarter you match, the higher score you get. And that's it. Tap pairs, focus on free tiles, clear the top players first, and don't be afraid to use hint or shuffle button. With this simple steps, you will be playing Vita Mahjong like pro in no time on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.